everything in this neighborhood. Everything. Yeah, that's why I moved to Vancouver, British Columbia, USA. Just hated Canada. And the fentanyl pushers. You know, even the grannies push fentanyls here because they're not standing up for their grandchildren. I'll stand up for everyone else's children. Hey, this shouldn't be a fentanyl pushing country killing kids. It's fucking wrong. Even babies overdose here because of their negligent fentanyl using parent. Okay, Daisy. She has to jump right back in. Okay. You gotta move out of the way for the dude, Daisy. Okay, we're going here for my favorite cough candies. Come on. You have to jump in here. You're not allowed in the store. Come on. You jump here. I'll be right back. Okay, where did I put my money? Here it is. Hello. Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you.
See ya. I'll be back another day. Okay, you can jump down, Daisy. Jump down. Good girl. These are the best cough candies. There's no sugar in them, and they don't taste horrible. And they really work sweetened naturally. I was finding that Halls was hurting my teeth. They were in bad shape down here after vomiting so much, living in the urine and poop fumes. Because medical people are retarded these days. Don't know you don't make street toilets.